Good morning, all. I'm Dr. Gayathri, working as Assistant Professor of Chemistry in SNS College of Engineering. Today, we're going to see about environmental science in that threats to biodiversity. We're going to see about threats to biodiversity. The threats to biodiversity, main threats are habitat loss, climate change, and the pollution. Habitat loss. The habitat loss from exploitation of the resources, agriculture conversion, and urbanization is the largest factor which contribute to the loss of biodiversity. The habitat loss are the agricultural conversion. The land is converted to agriculture area, and for the resources like mining and urbanization for living is the largest factor contribute to the loss of biodiversity. The climate change, nowadays the climate changes are the main thing for all the things we are noting this time. The climate change is the common usage. Climate change describes global warming, that is the temperature increases in the environment, the ongoing increase in the global average temperature, and its effects on Earth's climate system. The climate change in a broader sense are also include previous long-term change to Earth's climate. The main thing for the climate change, we are regularly identifying that global warming. That is the day by day the temperature of the environment we are sustaining environment is increases. That is the main thing. And pollution, whether the pollution is in the water, air, or land, any form of pollution is a threat to biodiversity. The pollution in the water, air, land, or any form is called as threat to biodiversity. For example, plastic pollutants have done deep into the oceans and even been found to microscopic level on Mount Everest in the human digestive system. Plastic pollutants are the main thing which pollute water, air, soil, land, marine, whatever the ecosystem, it pollutes all the things. This is the main threat, I think. Overexploitation of natural resources. The activities such as targeted hunting, fishing, and gathering of animals, plants, and other natural resources are threatened biodiversity. The loss of large populations of animals or plants in a short amount of can cause a rippling effect on the other wildlife in the region. Overexploitation of non-renewable sources will affect daily human life. Human activity and population. The population of humans has had a significant impact on biodiversity. About 200 years ago, less than 1 billion people were living on Earth. By the year 2050, the population is expected to about 9.8 billion people. It is a tremendous population change. Next, wildlife trading. Countless species are at risk extinction because of poachers. Beloved animals like African elephants, horsebill turtles, Amur leopards, and black rhinos are hunted constantly and sold illegally internationally. In 2023, there were numerous wins, including increased protections for hippos and expanded technologies for tracking at risk species. Hippos in 2023, hippos are the main animal which we have to protect. Next, preserve biodiversity. Support local farm. Support local farm to keep money circulating in the local economy, help farmers conserve biodiversity. Plant native plants in our own yard and garden. Not such plants which are in native. Respect local habitats. Wherever we go, whether it is in your own community or across the global, we have to respect our own local habits. Purchase ethical and sustainable items and try to reduce and reuse and recycle as much as possible. Speak out about biodiversity and teach others how they can preserve it. Take part in habitat restoration. Protects in your community. We have to support local things. We have to plant native plants, respect local habits. These are the main things to preserve biodiversity. Thank you all.